welcome back. So today's video is going to be, as you can tell by the title, I'm pretty sure this is what I'm going to title it anyways, but as you can tell, today's video is going to be a morning routine slash get ready with me makeup routine type of thing as a pregnant mom with a toddler. So we are going to be going from wake up until I get dressed and ready. As you can see though, I am pretty much done with the hair and makeup part. I just still need to get dressed for the next half. But we are going to quickly jump right into my morning routine, how my morning goes, my makeup routine, all of that as a pregnant mom with a toddler. If you stick to the end of this video and you like it, make sure to leave this video a thumbs up. Also, go ahead and leave me your comments down below until my next video. And if you haven't done it already, please make sure you hit that subscribe button. So I'm not going to hold you too long and I'm not going to keep rambling, but let's go ahead and jump into how my morning goes. Hey dolls, good morning. So I was up early this morning. My boyfriend woke up and left for work about 7. So that's about the time that I woke up as well. But once I got myself up and motivated, it was more about 7:30 when I started filming and getting all of this together. After he went ahead and headed off to work, I started by making the bed because I knew I was going to be filming in the room and I had things to do that day. So I just went ahead and got the room out of the way. Ignore those pillows, by the way. We have dogs and toddlers, so I mean, it's a mess. And then I decided to get my morning motivation. You guys, I cannot function without my coffee. So I went ahead and grabbed me a cup of coffee, and after I made my coffee, I just come into my room in my little office corner and I scrolled through some emails, checked some things out, just spent a little bit of time on the computer while sipping my coffee and trying to wake up, trying to organize my thoughts for the day and seeing exactly what was going to go on. And then this is when I would usually have breakfast, and you guys do not judge me, but today I was just not feeling it. I already knew that I had a lot on my plate. I had to film, I was trying to clean, I was trying to get dinner ready for later on, so I had to get stuff in the crock pot and everything, so I was not feeling like a big breakfast this morning. So I just grabbed me an apple just to put a little something on my stomach, just so that, you know, we're not too hungry throughout the day. Being pregnant is a struggle. But then after I ate, I went ahead and took my prenatal vitamins. Of course, we got to do that. And then after I took my prenatal vitamins, I went ahead and started my shower routine. I brushed my teeth, got in the shower, got all clean. After I got out of the shower, of course, being a pregnant mom, you have to put on something to help with the stretch marks. So I put on my lotion for my stretch marks. And then when I got out of the shower, I was surprised to see that my daughter was still asleep. Normally she's an early bird, but she slept in a little bit this morning. And I know it's weird, but my daughter likes to sleep on the couch. So she woke up for a second, laid on the couch, got all snuggly, and I was like, okay, while she's still asleep, it's time for me to go ahead and get started. So, and now we are going to go ahead and start getting ready for the day. We're showered, ready, ate. Kids still asleep, so we're trying to be productive here. That cucumber water that I use to moisturize my face with, I actually stole from my boyfriend. Well, I didn't steal it, but I do use it every now and then, but you guys don't let him know that. But he'll probably see it after this. But I used some of that cucumber water to moisturize my face with. And then after I give the lotion time to kind of dry and soak into my face a little bit, I go ahead and start with my makeup routine. I'm using my Maybelline Fit Me foundation in shade 125. And I don't know about you guys, but for me, I cannot get ready in silence, especially my makeup process. It takes me forever to actually get ready. So I always have to play music or have videos or something going on in the background while I'm getting ready. So this morning I was actually watching YouTube videos on my laptop in the background. After my foundation is done, I like to go in with my concealer. It's still Maybelline Fit Me. I have been obsessed with the foundation and the concealer to this for years. But I go in with my concealer and I just put it on my forehead, under my eyes, on my eyelids, down my nose, and the top of my lip. You guys know the normal process, so that's what I'm going to go ahead and do now. And then it is time to blend, 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 blend. We all know the same usual process, you guys. I have done this makeup routine for years, and I'm pretty sure we all kind of do the same variation of this type of routine, so you guys already know the process. Also, the faces I make while putting on my makeup is absolutely crazy, but I know it's not just me, right? Like, you guys make some silly faces when putting on your makeup too, right? So please don't judge me. Be careful. Good morning. What's doing you? Good morning, Bugs. Good morning. Hey, girl. Mommy, my side on you. It's just our one here. What is on you, girl? Good morning. Hi, Buggy. Yeah. As you guys can see, my daughter is now awake, coming in to tell me good morning with her little messy morning hair. So after telling her good morning and cuddling her for a little bit, I got back to my getting ready process. As you see here, I'm going in with my, once again, Maybelline Fit Me powder here, and I'm just going to go ahead and cover the foundation and the concealer just to make sure everything stays in place. And now I take out the Maybelline Fit Me contour palette, and I'm just going to be using the contour powder out of this palette to go ahead and do my contour around my face. And once again, we are jumping right into making some more silly faces. I swear, have you guys ever actually paid attention to the faces you make when doing your makeup? Like, I did not realize it was this silly until I was watching this back. But back to the silly face for the makeup. Now it is time to do these eyebrows, you guys. My favorite eyebrow pencil is the NYX eyebrow pencil, the like retractable one. Look, I'm in love with this thing. I have used it for years. I started my eyebrows. I like to shape them first, and then when I start, I did it off of camera because I have to get up close and personal with the mirror, so you guys don't see too much of the eyebrow process. Okay, so now that the eyebrows are done, and you guys, I can never get my eyebrows correct. They both always look different. But now that that is done, I like to go in with my eyeshadow. My usual everyday go-to routine with eyeshadow is I put on like a very light, translucent color all over my lid first, and then every now and then I'll either leave it like that, or every now and then I'll go in the corner with a darker color, and that's what I decided to do today. So I just take like this really dark purplish brown color and do on the outer corners and blend it all in, of course. And today I decided to add a little something different. So on the inner part of my lid, I took like this really gold glittery type of creamy eyeshadow. I'm not really sure what you would call it. And I just put that on the inner part of my lid to blend into the darker colors that's on the outer corner. Now it is time for what I think is one of the most important things, and that is highlight. So I have another Master Contour palette by Maybelline, of course. I have one that's darker for the contour, and then I have another one that's in a lighter shade for the highlight, because I like my highlight lighter. And you guys see I always rub my brush on my towel just to get extra makeup and stuff off from the lash use, so that when I apply this it'll be a bit brighter. So I go ahead and apply this down my nose, the tip of my nose, top of my lip, between my eyebrows, top of my eyebrows, and between my forehead, on the outer part of my, like under my eyebrow, and coming down on the side of my face. So that's just the process for that. Now this part here is completely optional. It's something that I started doing a while ago and I just continue doing it. I take this LA Colors liquid eyeliner that I actually got at like the Dollar Tree, and I know it might look like dots of Sharpie on my face, but I started doing this forever ago and I liked how it looked personally, so I just stick with it. But I take this liquid eyeliner and I put it, sometimes I put it over like bumps and zits that I already have so that it looks like moles, but sometimes I just put them in certain places, just like I said, to have the aesthetic or the look that there's moles and just something on my face, just so that it's not just, I don't know, plain. So I just add a little bit of detail with some liquid liner around my face. And then usually, most times out of 10, I wear fake lashes, but today I was not feeling it and I still had glue left on my eyelashes from the day before where I wore my lashes, and I just was not feeling the whole lash applying process today. So I just went in with my Maybelline Lash Sensational mascara, and I'm also talking to my daughter, but I just went in and applied this on my lashes just to give it a little bit of something different. And then I'm also trying to keep my daughter out of touching buttons and knocking over the camera, so it was a whole process here, but I'm just applying my lashes, well, my mascara on the lashes. And then here I realized I had a bump on my chin that I wanted to cover, so I went ahead with the same technique with the liquid liner and covered up that bump. So now I'm going to show you guys what I do for my lips almost on a daily basis. This is kind of my favorite lip combo. Actually, it's more like a trio, but I always start with a NYX lip liner to line my lips, and then I use the NYX Lingerie Matte Gloss in between that. And then over top of everything, I use the NYX Butter Gloss just to make everything glossy. Now that the makeup process is done, it is time to move on to this hair. And you guys, I am definitely more of a makeup person than a hair person. I don't really like doing my hair. I'm really not into hair. I definitely like makeup and fashion a whole lot more. Usually I just tie my hair up in a bun on the top of my head and go on about my day. But today I wanted to do a little something different and switch it up a little bit, because I wear a bun literally any day of the week. So today I'm just going to brush through it, try to fix it up, straighten it a little bit, and just do something a little different so that it doesn't always look the same. I kind of get bored with the same hairstyle all the time, but like I said, I'm definitely not a hair person, so I'm not going to sit here and try new hairstyles, new techniques. It's either a bun or I'm gonna straighten it and go on about my day and live my life. And then this is the finished look of how the makeup and the hair looked once I was done. Now we're headed to the closet to find something to wear for the day. And you guys, my closet is a complete mess. I have clothes in here that I don't wear, some that I wear too much. It's packed full. So it took me a while to dig through here and actually find out what I was going to wear. So do not judge the process of my getting ready in my closet, because is something that I definitely need to work on. But we're just going to look for some clothes and see what's cute for the day. And so this is the outfit that I decided on for the day. It is this very comfy and stretchable black and white dress. I couldn't figure out how to fit everything in the frame, but it covers the bump very well. It's not too snug, and I just thought it was a cute outfit. Okay, you guys, so this is the end of my little morning routine and my little get ready with me routine. I hope that you guys enjoyed. As you saw, there was a lot going on this morning. There's so much that goes into being pregnant and a mom of a toddler. So I just wanted to like film a little quick little morning routine for you guys. This is a little different. Every morning varies, like you will hear throughout the video. But this was a little different than other mornings. I actually had things to do this morning. My daughter slept in this morning. So it was just a lot going on. But the first half of the morning routine is done. My hair, makeup, outfit, all of that is done. So now we are off to film a video for the day, and then we need to clean this house and get some other things done before the end of the day. So let me go ahead and end this video here so I can get everything else done for today and not be slacking, because you guys, I'm great with procrastination, I'll tell you what. But as always, I hope that you enjoyed this video. I know it's a little bit different. It's something that I haven't really done in a while, you guys. Like I said, I have revamped my channel, so all of my usual morning routines and videos and all of that has since been long gone. So I hope that this was something different for you guys, and I also hope that you enjoyed it as much as I did filming it. If you did like this video or the fact that it was a little different, make sure to leave it a thumbs up. As always, go ahead and leave me your comments down below until my next video. And if you haven't done it already, please make sure you hit that subscribe button. As you see, I have all types of content coming. My life has been taking me on some crazy, amazing, different journeys lately, and I don't want you guys to miss out on anything. So please make sure you go ahead and subscribe so you can join us. And I want to thank you all so much for watching, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye, guys.